Thin, news-driven markets make trading a real challenge. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to BUBBA'S Daily Update for Tuesday, March the 29th. And what a morning already. You had about 7:45 Eastern. You had a little bit of news. The markets flew all over the place. Gold got hammered, got down about $50 before reversing a little bit. Crude was down about $6, and it's come back a little bit. The equities were soaring higher, and now they're coming off a little bit. But it was one item on very thin volume, which again is a danger. You know, as they say in, I forget what the name of the show, but the danger, Will Robinson, danger. And this is what we're watching, a market that has a lot of danger because we don't get enough volume to really stand in the way of either way. So you get one item and it dramatically moves the markets before usually reverting and with a little bit of a mean reversion. In the meantime, we're long all the indexes. They're all up. Dow's up 200. NASDAQ up 90, S&P up 25, and the Russell up 400. They could be anywhere. By the time you get this, they could be down. Who the hell knows? In the meantime, we are long them all at the moment. Crude oil is down about $4. We're long. The gold is down about $30, and silver's down about 61 cents. We're short both. They did bounce off those support areas that we were watching. Actually went a little bit below, but again, you never count until it closes. And 1900 is still the key spot in gold, and 2450 is still the key number in silver. And platinum is 974. What a joke. Okay. In the meantime, we don't trade anymore, but we would be short if we did. Bonds and notes are higher. Again, this is expected after you get that big sell-off. You're always going to get some either sell-off over a huge move up or some buyback after a huge move down. That's just a natural course of markets. I would not even think of or worry about that. In the meantime, copper is higher and we are short. Nat gas is slightly lower and we're long. But remember, nat gas is at the highest price it's been in March since 2008. Okay. So again, I think it bears watching. And again, that's a crappy energy policy in which we have here. Again, it's not going to change as long as we keep this crud policy in place. Bitcoin is down, pretty flat, but we reversed along this morning. In the grain markets, they're getting hammered. Okay, corn down 35 cents, which is limit. Soybeans down 35 cents, which is not limit. Wheat down 55 cents. Right, so we're long corn, we're long beans, we're short wheat. Look, I think corn and beans are probably a buy. Wheat is just really wild and wicked right now. Remember, it was just $14. Now it's $10. Okay. So, in the meantime, in the meats, protein complex, cattle surging higher, feeders up $4. Now we're short. Now that has something to do with corn, but it also has to do with crude oil. Again, if you've been watching recently, and I don't want you to trade this correlation, but if you've been watching recently, crude goes up, steaks or cattle goes down, crude goes down, cattle goes up. And of course, live cattle, which we're long, is up over $1 as well. And in the meantime, the hogs that have been the darling because, of course, inflation is so high, and that's the next protein down, are down today because, of course, beef is higher. You know, pretty simple equation when you think about it. And cotton is slightly lower. We're long. Coffee's having a little bit of a bounce after yesterday's $8 down move or 80-point down move. In the meantime, we're short that. Sugar's getting hammered a little bit today, which makes sense with oil because it is a component in oil in some parts of the world. But we're still long. Cocoa's flat and we're short, and OJ is flat and we're long. Look, this is a very challenging trade. That's all I can tell you. These thin markets make trading a major challenge. I just urge you to be very cautious and very careful and know where your exits are if you're trying to day trade. In the meantime, check out our sponsors, Capital Trading Group, best for futures and commodities. Trade your brokerage, $10 a month, plus now they're going to have cryptocurrencies and strategic wealth preservation, plus our high school program. Again, check them out. They're scrolling on the bottom. In the meantime, it's been a rough day for my technology. I've been struggling, hoping to get this out. In the meantime, have a great day, everybody. This is Bubba's Daily Update. We'll see you back here Thursday. I will be flying tomorrow. No update tomorrow, Wednesday. Have a great day, everybody. We'll see you later.